Got me right today. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now when I take a quick little look at this, there's so much going on. My goodness, let's just look at it with the sun. Oh yeah, this bike is gonna be a nice one. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught the video yesterday where we picked up our 2020 Road Glide from Copart, man. That thing was freaking in shambles. Definitely whooped. We took off all the damaged parts that we can take off that thing. A few more parts on there that we got to attend to, but nothing that we can't handle. Furthermore, we do have our 2022 CVO Road Glide right here now. Like I said, you guys seen we picked this up. I did throw my carbon fiber daddies on there. And then we got a new exhaust on there as well. So this one should be a beast as well. I can't wait to see what this thing sounds like and runs like, rather, man. So we got some work to do. I definitely have a new paint set for this whole entire bike, man. So all of this stuff is coming off. So y'all stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, we might be able to go up there and check out our paint set today for this bike. I probably might give you guys a quick little insight on that here. But furthermore, man, we do got this thing together. Got to take off, of course, the front end, which is not a big deal. And then get our new part list together and get this thing tackled and back together, man. I can't wait, man. Y'all let me know about what y'all think about it so far in the comments below. Meanwhile, we got to offload this thing and like I said, get our parts list together. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna offload this thing and get it situated real quick, dog. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing in here on the jack stand, ready to go. It was a lot easier getting this thing on the jack stand than the last bike, I can tell you that much. But anywho, I'm actually just about to clean up this chrome real quick because I did take this thing to get a wash, clean all that like old oil and dirt and stuff off. So I'm just about to wipe it down real quick, and then as I'm wiping it down, I'm gonna be making a part list of what I still need for this bike to get it all done and complete. Doesn't need too many things, but all in all, do need enough things, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. Of course, CVO down. Let's see what we can do with this, man. Come on. 1, 2, and... working in here today. I don't want to smoke this thing out right now, but all in all, we got the bike together, sounding good, looking good. It's got some oohs and ahs to it. That pipe definitely brought it out, so hopefully we got something good on our hands, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Like I said, I'm about to wipe this down, get this part list together, and then I gotta go drop off the trailer. But we might be able to get some of these broken items off because we still got a lot to do. Alrighty, guys, next morning here. As you guys know, I got a new fresh paint set getting painted for this thing right now. So that one should be done in a couple days. I might give you guys a sneak peek or so. But I actually want to take off these little chrome rear support brackets right here, because we want them color matched to what we're gonna be doing with our paint set. So I'm gonna have to take these things off and get these things powder coated, as well as I don't want these big, like, this is like the OG, like, for the OG bikes, man. I don't want none of this on there. I want to see clear bag. I want you to see everything. So we got to snatch them off, those support brackets, and take these support brackets off, because these are still good. And we can swap those on there so it can give it a flush look, like so. You can see the whole bag. Now, if I put this bag on there with this sucker right here, it's gonna like just take away from it. And I don't wanna take away from it. I only wanna add to it, man. So this morning, I'm actually about to snatch these things off and then snatch those suckers off, because we're gonna get them both powder coated, man. It's gonna look nice, man. So we'll see. Let's get this thing taken apart real quick and get to the powder coat shop. Meanwhile, man, we do have a corner full of parts that just came in, so I'm about to start actually pulling this bike apart, because we pick up our paint set tomorrow. So I'm gonna start pulling the front end off, switch that, what is it? Interference support bracket right here. Gotta switch that out, because I'm sure that's bent. And then I really wanna pull the front forks off, but I don't have the sliders that's gonna be replacing these in my hand yet, so I gotta pick them up tomorrow too. But at least we'll be able to get that done, get the front end off, take these bars off, because we got new bars as well. And then we can set up our crash bar up on here and then just get everything mocked up and ready to go. Probably snatch this rear fender off as well, and see what else we can do to get this thing back running and up and going. Now, one thing I have been trying is to freaking load a tune onto this daddy-o, but my dyno jet doesn't seem to be connecting properly. So I think it's like a shortage in the cord or something. Maybe this might be even the issue right here. That might be the issue. I don't even know. It's probably something simple, but that's literally what it keeps saying every time I try to load my tune, man. So every time. So I ordered a new cord. Hopefully that'll work. Sometimes it pulls up my tunes, and most of the time it doesn't. So we'll see what we can do and get done with that. Meanwhile, I'm about to get this thing taken apart and hopefully get it put back together today or tomorrow. Alrighty guys, next day here, man. We got some stuff taken off of the CVO. We got pretty much the main piece of the puzzle already done now, man. So I'm actually about to go check out this paint set for our new 2022 CVO and see what this thing has came out looking like. I can't wait, man. This thing's supposed to be dope. I actually did something different on this paint job. I actually went a little bit different than what I normally go. So I can't wait to check it out, man. And I can't wait for you guys to see it, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Let's hop up out the whip and go see what's going on, man. It's a movie. Let's see what we got over here, man. All right, man. Let's see what we got here, man. My boy been working hard, man. You know, I've been pressuring him, man. I hope I didn't put too much pressure on you, man. Man, I'm out here with the hard riders, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. So I'm gonna have to like slow it down for y'all just a little bit, man. Y'all see the oohs and the ahs. You see the lines on there, and they straight. You got some straight lines there, man. Ooh, look at the purple with the oohs and the ahs. I ain't gonna lie, like, when I chose the colors, I didn't think it was gonna come out looking like this, man. You did your thing on this one, I ain't gonna lie. This thing is nice. Ooh, I see how it's gonna come out. Got the little bag lids and all that with the little high gloss, oohs and ahs. Of course, we got our our color match interference. There we go. Oh yeah, I can't wait to put this on. Literally, can't wait to put it on, man. Of course, it's the CVO, man. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. And I like how he did the gas cap on here. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't even thinking about this. That little touch right there, it kind of did it, because I actually thought she was gonna do the gas tank like similar to this, but this actually kind of looked better though. This looked pretty dope. Yeah. It looked pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie, I love that gas tank cover, man. That thing is sick. Thing is sick. Of course, we got the spoiler over there, the chin spoiler right there. rear fender right here. Now look at here, man. Y'all see how just clean this thing look? I ain't gonna lie now. Y'all know I'm so used to Antonio, right? You like the first person I done tried outside of Antonio, man. So I ain't gonna lie, you showed out on this one, cause like I'm hella convinced now. Like I was so stuck on Antonio, I'm like, man, can't nobody else treat me like Antonio, but I ain't gonna lie. My boy got me right with the everything regular on it. Sheesh, that's how you feeling or what, man?
Man, we just feeling
Yeah, that's how, what we got over here, man? Let me see what we got.
We finna get ready to buff of that.
Oh, we in buffing stages right now, man?
Yo, man.
Let me see what you got right here. Oh, man. Y'all see what's going on. Everything regular. He ain't get a chance to buff the back end yet, but let's just see it in the sun real quick. Oh, my God. Ooh, look at the oohs and the ahs on there, man. Of course, everything regular on the back. Oh, yeah, this thing is going to look clean. This thing is going to look nice. I can't wait. This thing is going to look sick.
Somebody not go back all fuck that.
Ooh. Of course, y'all see the other half of the helmet right there.
Your vent that going up under the orange.
Oh yeah, I did see that. On God, I did see the vents on the helmet.
Back. Got the vents on the front.
Oh, I didn't even see the front. Okay, got you.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, okay.
Bike is just, well, go ahead and finish your video.
That's cool. Y'all see what's going on. I'm almost done. Okay, then we got the outer fairing. So I ain't gonna lie, this thing look nice, man. Thing look clean, man. We got it. What we doing right now? Buffing? That's what you said? We buffing it out, man. And then y'all know me. As soon as I put it in the car, I'm going straight to the garage to put it on today. So I can't wait, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm giving y'all a quick little sneak peek. Like I said, I got a lot of work ahead of me. Then we gonna see if we can make it out west, man. We gonna try our best and see what we can do, man. Y'all stay tuned. I can't wait. It's a movie. All right, guys. I had to bring this bad boy out and just check him out. Like, brother. Oh my goodness, let's just look at it with the sun. Oh yeah. This bike is gonna be a nice one. Gonna be a nice one, man. I can't wait, man. Let's get to the freaking to the garage. Wrap this up rather, put it in the car, get it to the garage, and try to get this bike put back together. I can't wait. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here, man. We finally got the paint set all packaged up in the car. Y'all know what time that means, man. It's time to get back to the garage and get this thing spread out, get all the wrap taken off these parts, and start putting this bike back together, man. So it's only gonna be 2 things that hold us up, but you guys will have to catch that in the next video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Definitely appreciate y'all, man. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, man. It's time to go. Yeah, man, it's a movie. Let's do it.